With our first Crepe Paper Masterclass running for 2 years and over 4,000 students, we now bring you our second version, a beginner's guide to Crepe Paper Flowers. Not only will we be making these 9 new flowers, but I'll be sharing my latest tips and techniques. This course is free for all annual members during the month, but you'll need to register to save your spot. If you're not an annual member, right now is a great time to upgrade so that you can join us for our next workshop. A new feature for our master classes is that you can now purchase the course for immediate access, then replay and review at any time. The step-by-step video class is presented in 12 lessons for a month-long course, where we will join together as a community and create beautiful flowers. If you're new to Crepe Paper Flowers, this course will teach you to get started and move confidently into the craft. If you've already fallen in love with crepe paper flower making, this is a great place to learn new tips and connect with a like-minded community. And right now, we can all use a more joy-filled community. In this course, we will make 9 different flowers. I've organized these lessons to teach you all of the essential techniques, so once you've completed the course, you have the skill to make any crepe paper flower. The 12 lessons will be released throughout the month, each with a video tutorial and workbook pages for your binder. We also encourage you to share your work on our community page throughout the month. Once you've finished all 12 lessons of the course, you'll receive a certificate of completion. Along with teaching new skills, we're here to show you how capable you are, connect you with others who will cheer you on, and inspire you to keep creating. Ready to join us? Simply sign up for our Crepe Paper Flower Masterclass on our Craft Academy page on our site.